It's no surprise that with use, clothing can get worn and soiled. Not only do we take a lot of wear and tear while children sit on our lap, but our suits are right there to endure along with us. We've discussed in other videos about different styles of clothing and what options exist for different Santa looks. The goal of this episode is to share some things you may not be aware of when it comes to keeping your clothing neat and clean. I remember one of the worst gigs I was ever booked for. I thought it was going to be fun, but it turns out they not only had children who didn't care about Santa, but most everyone else was an adult who had consumed a good amount of alcohol. Coupled with the venue, which was an indoor stable, that really made things bad. The smell of horse manure and the dusty wood chips was very, very strong.